Costly expenses can be a nightmare for homeowners if they aren't prepared for them. But how much should you be saving each year for home maintenance? It's a question on every homeowner's mind at one point or another, and one they should have the answer to. Experts recommend saving 1 to 4% of your home's value every year for maintenance and repairs. That may sound like a lot, but over time, it can save you stress and money. You may not need to dip into those savings every year, but when the air conditioner breaks or the roof leaks, you'll be glad you set the money aside. So how much should you budget? Today, we'll walk you through how to determine the right amount for your home, tips for reaching your savings goals, and the preventative maintenance that can save you more money in the long run. Let's dive in. On average, homeowners spend over $17,000 annually on maintenance, but costs depend on the age, size, and condition of your home. Factor in your home's age. A good rule of thumb for homes under 5 years old: aim for 1% of your home's value. For older homes, 25 years or more, aim for closer to 4%. This is based on the assumption that newer homes with newer systems are less likely to need costly repairs. Automate your savings. Make it easier on yourself. Automate your savings. Many banking apps let you create buckets for different goals, including home repairs. Even small amounts from each paycheck can add up. Stay on top of your regular maintenance. Saving is only half the equation. Preventative maintenance can preserve and even grow your home's value. Start with the basics: landscaping, inspecting your roof, checking vents and attics, and fixing leaks before they cause mold or water damage. Tap your equity to fund repairs. Of course, emergencies still happen, despite our best efforts. If your repair fund isn't enough, you have options like HELOCs, home equity loans, and home equity investments, which give you access to your equity in cash without monthly payments. Bottom line, homeownership comes with responsibility, but routine maintenance and monthly savings can protect your home's value and your peace of mind. Want help staying on top of it all? A free Hometap account can help you track your value and equity, and even help plan renovations. Learn how you can create your free account today in the video description.